How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can send a message in Cisco Packet Tracer. So my computer right here is already connected through my wireless router. Of course, you can just configure this on your own setup. But in my case, I'm going to be sending messages from both computers right here. But in order to do that, you need to set up some sort of connection. So I'm going to be using my router. It's extremely simple. I've set it up on the GUI right here. We have setup, and then you want to remember your IP address, which is going to be this one. And then you want to disable the DHCP server. Click on Save Changes, navigate through wireless security, and now you can type your password. From there, navigate through your computer and then turn it off. I'm going to change my module onto this one right here, so it will be able to connect through the connection itself. Power on the device, navigate through desktop, and I'm going to connect it through wireless connection. Wait for it to load in, and then click on connect. Let's type our password. Connect once more, and then we can confirm the connection with this line right here. So to finally send a message, you could just click on this add simple PDU right here. So click on the first computer, and then you want to connect on the second one. And basically from there, you could see the status of the message. As of right now, it's set to successful. Now that is the easy way on how you can do this. Other ways is basically just heading over to the command prompt right here and then pinging the other computers by using their IP address. But I suggest just clicking on the mail icon. Let's try it the other way around, and then we can see it's successful. And so that's how easy it is to do this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.